Paninan City. I'm a second-year certificate student at Paninan Commercial College, majoring in foreign languages. Today, I will talk about the ancient Japanese art of paper forging. Origami. Origami's origin took root during the early 7th century as the technique of handmaking was introduced to Japan by China. The introduction
ลบความ
of
มืดได้
paper
นะลบความ
had
มืด
a large
ไป
impact
ที่สี
on
เขียวแล้วก็ล
Japanese
บความมืด
culture
เลย
as the Japanese adopted these working techniques. Today, I have one popular story about origami. The popular story is about a young Hiroshima atomic bomb survivor named Sadako Sasaki. She was 2 years old when the bomb was dropped on the home city of Hiroshima on August the 6th, 1945. When she was 12, she developed leukemia. The atomic bomb ceased. When she was in the hospital, her friend Chihiko brought her a folded paper crane and told her a Japanese legend that a crane sleeps for 1,000 years and a sick person who falls paper cranes will become well again. So the girl folded and folded paper cranes, but she died. She folded 644 cranes. Her friend folded the remaining 356 cranes, so that 1,000 were buried in Sadako. People who wish to remember Hiroshima and hopes for a peaceful world folded and offered their paper crane under Sadako statue in Hiroshima Peace Park. Today, I will show you on how to fold a paper crane. I think everyone can fold paper crane. Yes, step 1. Then just cut piece of paper and then fold it. You have 4 different ways. You can see on the projector. Okay, and then fold it to the center. And do the same thing on the other side. Form a triangle. Can you see? Okay. And then put the finger into the paper and open the paper like this. And then fold the edges into the center. And do the same thing on the other side, like this, and undo the paper. And then, like this, and pull the corner up, and fold the edges into the center, like this. And do the same thing on the other side, like this, and fold the edges into the center. And do the same thing on the other side, like this, and turn the paper. The top edges are the wings, and the bottom edges are the head and the tail. Put up the head and put up the tail, and turn the paper like this. And make a little fold for head. Yes, and the last step is pull the wings out. Wow, this is my paper crane. What do you think? If it doesn't look perfect for the first time, it's okay. You need to be patient and do a lot of practice. As they say, practice makes perfect. I believe that origami has so many benefits for old and young times like me. Also, origami is one way of meditation and relaxation. It helps us to think clearly and relaxes us when we are stressed. And what else is everyone doing? Nothing originally. He learned to be creative, and most importantly, he learned to be patient. Empathy, and his friend organized the Thai Olympic Cup. He is a good example of a Thai teenager are capable of creating beautiful Thai Olympic. We can learn to be creative and original if we put our heart into this cup. Like how Sadako Spain put their heart and spirit in making what doesn't came for her. Today, I am very happy to have presented and demonstrated on how to make a beautiful paper plate origami. There are a lot of many origami designs. And now, it's up to you to make your own origami design. Can you see? Okay. Just remember, be patient, be creative, and practice makes perfect. Thank you for listening and have a nice day. Thank you.